When I sneeze, I say Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. If another Muslim sneezes and says Alhamdulillah, I say Yarhamukallah. Yarhamukallah. The one who sneezed replies Yahdikumullahu wa yuslihu balakum. Yahdikumullahu wa yuslihu balakum.